Hi everyone, it's Succulents Box here. Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, propagating succulents in water. We all know that succulents are really sensitive to overwatering, but did you know they can actually adapt to water growing? Here's how it works. First, choose a healthy succulent cutting. You should start with a succulent like Echeveria, Graptiveria, or any type of succulent that propagates easily. Let your cutting callus well for 2 to 3 days to reduce the chance of root rot. Depending on the size of your cutting, prepare a glass jar, fill it with water up to 2/3 of the jar. Place the succulent in a jar just half an inch above the surface. Don't let the stem touch the water. Place the jar in a well-lit, airy place. Wait for 2 to 3 weeks and the roots will start to grow. Avoid putting the jar in direct sunlight. Add more water when the water level goes down 1 to 2 inches. Change water once in a while when it gets cloudy. Another way you could carry out water propagation is by putting a damp cloth on a tray or plate, placing the cuttings on it, and leaving them alone for around 1 to 2 months. If you prefer to grow succulents in soil, you can transfer your succulent to soil after 1 to 2 months. However, soil roots and water roots are different, so it might die growing it in soil. Here is the result after 1 month of propagating in water. You can see all the cuttings are really healthy and they are growing a lot more roots. These succulents make great house decorations, and since they are grown in water, you don't have to worry about overwatering them. Please remember, not all succulents love being propagated in water, so don't be discouraged if you fail. Good luck with your project and see you next time.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.